Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Meridian LED tap light, 10 plus lumens, wall mountable, freestanding. They're 4 inches across, let's say, not in diameter. But if you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Okay, one about Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Meridian LED tap light. They take 3 AA batteries, which are not included, for like underneath my kitchen cabinets, because I noticed that it's kind of dark under them. Let's get ahead, get these open, take a closer look. Now it looks like you just put a screw wherever you're going to mount them. Like under here's the kitchen cabinet. Put a screw in them to mount them, and you just slide the screw in over it. Let's go ahead and get this open, see what it looks like. Now these were $8.74 at the Walmart. They do have them on Amazon. They have a bunch of different varieties. You have some that you can change colors that have a remote control. So they're, oh, that came on easy. They're about $2 a piece. $2.25 or something like that a piece. Just push the top here. Yeah. Okay, let me go ahead and get some screws and we'll go ahead and get these mounted. Okay, what I'm doing to figure out the placement is I'm kind of eyeballing it to get an idea kind of where I want it. Then I'm going to measure how far back it is. I'm going to install 2 more at the other end of the kitchen. And I'm going to measure back to the edge of this out to the end of the cabinet so they're all pretty much in line. Then I'm going to find the center of my cabinet, mark that. Then I'll have an idea where to place this. I'm going to draw a line right behind here, because that's where the screw goes in the back, and put the screw on that mark. So measure back, how far back you want it from this edge out. Then find your center and mark the back of it on the bottom of the cabinet. Not tight enough. There we go. Now I already did the other 2. Now this is a bigger cabinet, so what I did, I figured out the length of the cabinet, cut that in half. Then from this edge to the center, I cut that in half and found the center of the cabinet. Did that on both sides. So if you look, everything's nice and centered, and back about the same amount of space. Okay, this is what they look like at night. What I like about this setup is you don't have to worry about overheating, something catching on fire. You can leave the lights on, go away, come home. You don't have to come home in the dark. They're not overly bright, but they're bright enough.
Be sure to check out the links below, and as always, thanks for watching.